Hey everybody, Jacob here with HKI. I'd like to take a couple minutes just to talk about the Ground Zero GZCF line of coaxial speakers. One of the reasons why this line is so exciting to me is it is kind of the reverse of how a lot of speakers are done. So these speakers were almost specifically designed and released for our power sports industry, but due to efficiency, due to frequency range, due to weather resiliency and everything along those lines, adapt very well over to the car side. One of the things that we run into when we look at a lot of coaxial speakers or something along those lines is typically we don't necessarily have the output or efficiency to be able to keep up with a lot of big bass packages. Typically what you see is, you've got a customer that wants a couple of 12s in a vented enclosure, a couple of 15s in a vented enclosure. What are you gonna really do in that front cabin enclosure or cabin area to be able to keep up with a system like that? Items like these and the GZCF coaxes are a great simple solution for that. So we've got a 6.5 inch, which would work perfectly in a front door and rear deck application. We've got an 8 inch that would work very, very well in certain vehicle applications where you might have a larger front door mid bass or something like that where we've got some wiggle room. But what I'm really excited about is a speaker that we just launched, which is the GZCF 69 SPL, which is a car-based basket 6x9 high efficiency driver. So now with a mix of these three products, you've easily got the ability to do a very simple solution for the cabin environment, keeping up or allowing you to keep up with a larger base package and giving your customer really the full solution of what they're looking for. For more information, feel free to reach out to us. Any social media, Ground Zero USA, groundzerousa.com, or if you're interested in becoming a retailer for us, you can visit hki-usa.com and get in touch with our sales team and your local rep. Anything else, feel free to reach out. You guys have a good one.